Hi there, this is Duncan. I hope that you are doing fine. And I just want to share with you today really quick on what to do after you upload your video. I know most of us, we just upload our videos and then we just leave it for YouTube to do its thing. No, it is not working that way. So I feel like I should share with you just some of the tips that I use on my own videos and how I optimize my videos for search and even for recommendation on YouTube. So if you really are interested in such a topic, be very sure to subscribe, and not only subscribe, you can also ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future video that I am going to post on this channel. So before I even shoot my video, I usually do a research to find out what people are looking for, and I use a free Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. It is also having a premium one, but for me I'm using a free one. So what I do, I use the keyword research to just find how many people are searching for this topic before I go on and make a video. After I shoot a video, of course I have to edit it, and I put in some tweaks to make that video to be more lively and more good, because most of the time I do these head-on videos and sometimes you find them more boring. So you should make them at least to be more friendly to the people who are watching you. And after all that, of course I do upload, and of course I use the keywords that I got from TubeBuddy, and also the ones that I also feel like someone can be searching for this. So you find that TubeBuddy will always help me to get keywords. Then from there I can create a video that is related to that very video. And then the next thing you need to do is to create a good thumbnail, because thumbnails will always help us to have the CTR, click-through rate. And if you have a higher CTR, my friend, you will have a higher viewership on YouTube. So you need to create thumbnails that are very appealing. If you don't know how to create thumbnails, find a link in the description where I made a video on how to make appealing thumbnails that will increase your click-through rate. After I've had a good thumbnail, the next thing to do is now to come and have my description. I usually find some people don't write description in their videos, and this is killing you, my friend, because it is not only the title that will sell you. Sometimes the keywords are also found from the description. So what I usually do, I copy the title that I have, and then I paste it as the first line in my description. And after that, down there I will also talk about the video. So I may say something like, hey there, in this video I've talked about maybe how to optimize your videos after upload, right? So you see, I've mentioned the keyword 3 times. 1 in the title, 2 in the first line of the description, 3 in the next paragraph of the description. So I have it in 3 positions. So if someone is searching, YouTube will, the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube machine will scan through and find that I have it 3 times already. So you can see I have a head up compared to someone who has not yet, done that. And after that, of course, I'll give a brief description of what the video is about. I'll also maybe mention of what you'll get from the video. And after that, if you have the affiliate links, you may want to put them, but it's not a must. Yeah, the best thing is that please put the keywords also in the description. And after that, of course, I will now come to the tags. Of course, tags do not mean a lot. I don't want to compromise that. Even YouTube themselves said that tags do not mean a lot. Of course, they just use it in case you have misspelling in the title. So tags will be used to generate that spelling, at least so that someone can find your video. But tags do not have a lot of significance, but do not ignore that. Do not ignore that they don't have. What I usually do, I put as much as tags as I can. I don't usually just look down upon them and say they are not meaningful. So I usually use TubeBuddy also to have some of the precise tags that I need. But again, I usually just have some keywords that I can use in my tags. So apart from TubeBuddy, I can also use vidIQ. It can also help me to get good tags that some people are searching for. So you should have tags that are related to the video. Avoid copying people's tags. Some of us may use extensions like vidIQ to copy someone's tags from a video, then you come and paste them in your own video. YouTube hates this, and once they see this, my friend, your video can be blocked, and if it is too much, my friend, your channel can be banned or suspended from YouTube. Be very careful. Do not copy other people's tags, but you can borrow an idea from what they are putting in their tags. So make sure that the tags are in line with the topic of your video, right? And so after that, I will now go to cards. I may add cards sometimes, but of late I've not been using cards because I found that in some way they take people away from your video, but you can use that. But the next thing I want to mention that is so good, it is the end cards. So the end cards are these little videos that you usually see at the end of the video. So after maybe I've talked about optimizing your video after upload. So then the card that will come next will be something like how to grow on YouTube or something close to that, so that if someone is through watching this video, he or she can also watch the next video. And this is what YouTube wants, because YouTube wants to keep their audience on the platform. So once you have that end card, there is higher chance that someone will click on it and the cycle will continue, and YouTube will recommend your videos to many more people. So that will also increase your watch time. Maybe I may create a separate video talking about how to attain the 4,000 watch hours in the least time possible. But these are the things that I do to make my videos at least to be seen to other people. And also maybe to mention, this is not part of this, you may or may not do this, I usually also market these videos outside YouTube. There are some creators who say they don't want to market it outside YouTube, but for me, I usually do that because I feel like I still am a small creator, so I need to make my presence out there. So I usually share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and everywhere that they can allow me to post, right? I just post there so that people can watch my videos. I also make maximum use of Facebook groups. I made a video about that. Maybe you'll check it in the video description. I have a link there. You can go and watch how to use Facebook groups to get more views and more subscribers to your very channel. And my friend, after sharing, I know 1 or 2 people will click on that link, and at least you'll get 1 subscriber, or even 2 or even 10, and through that you will grow from time to time. So I felt like sharing with you this so that you don't just post a video and you ignore all this that I've said. Please make sure that you put in consideration what I've said. And yes, I don't guarantee you a lot of views, but at least at the end of the day, it may take 2 months, it may take 3 months, but once that video will pick, my friend, I'm telling you, it is going to do you marvelous, and you will like it, and you will remember this video in the entire of your life. Otherwise, my friend, I hope that this video has been helpful to you, and if that is the case, you know what to do. Boop that like button. You can also subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, you can also ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks, or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.